What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of CrossFaded Kitchen. We are your hosts. I am Eddie, aka Lelo.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Brandon. I actually don't have an AKA.
For today's episode, we're going to be making shrimp stuffed jalapeno poppers.
And I'm going to be throwing something together just, that sounds fucking fantastic. As a bartender, you have your custom cocktails that, we all go to, like whether it be a Bloody Mary with a little twist or margarita with a little twist. I'm throwing shit together that I just think sounds phenomenal. Stay tuned. But before we actually go through that, before we even do our shots, apparently a lot of you like seeing on my Christmas episode me losing a bet and drinking half a fucking pint of Jameson. So now we're going to be doing a shot bet. We're going to be playing some Arizona Sunshine. The person with the least amount of scores is going to be taking a Brandon-sized shot, as one might call it, which is equivalent to 4 shots. Yeah, 4. But 4 shots in 1 pint glass, you're going to chug it.
You know what? This is going to go towards it. Let's just get it done with.
No. They ain't gonna you. They ain't go towards it.
All right.
This is tradition. It's 4 on top of it. Loser.
Let's get started. All right, guys. So for today's episode, we're going to use some cream cheese. Of course, we're going to need some jalapenos, a lime if you guys want, some bacon. We're going to use shrimp. We have our infused oil over here.
It's black as shit because I put 3 times the amount of stuff needed. So.
We have toothpicks so we can stab our jalapenos, whether wrapped with bacon, some tahini, or infused mayonnaise, or aioli, whatever you want to call it, and some chipotle adobo. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the seeds of our jalapeno. For this, we're gonna cut it a little bit into half. You guys notice I have gloves. You guys gotta be careful with this because most of the time this, the seed goes in your eye. It's gonna burn a lot.
I want to put a disclaimer in. If you touch it, please wash your hands before you go to the bathroom.
Yes, please do that. If not, you're gonna be in pain. You're gonna be in pain. Also, make sure you guys rinse your jalapenos before you guys start prepping. Sometimes, whatever vendor you get them off, they might not have them cleaned. Some may have small dirt. I usually like cleaning them in a bowl of water with salt. All the dirt just comes out easily. All right, guys, so now that we have all of our jalapenos clean, some of them will have seeds. Well, whoever gets to eat those, is gonna get a little kick. And when it comes out, all right, next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna clean our shrimp. For this one already, as you guys can see, the poop's already out. It's already off. Yes, the shrimp's coming with poop. So for this, all you want to do is just grab the tail. I have gloves, as you guys can see still. Grab the tail, kind of pinch it, and it just slides off. There we go. Shouldn't be that hard. Sometimes they have a little shell all around. Sometimes it's just a tail. That's what you guys gotta be careful. You guys don't want to eat any of this skin. All right, guys. So this shit right here, I don't even know what to call it. Brandon just went all off making the oil. This is gonna be strong as fuck. So we gotta be careful how we're gonna kind of like massage our bacon. And I say massage because Brandon, you guys see how dark that oil is? We're gonna get that fucking high. Look at that shit. Jesus Christ. I'm kind of scared of eating this one, to be honest. Look at that. All right, so we're just massaging our bacon with our infused olive oil. We're gonna get high as fuck with this shit. All right, so now that we have that bathing, we have our shrimp that's clean, our jalapeno. We're gonna stuff it with some shrimp. Oh, why? What is he doing? He's stuffing some raw shrimp. Yeah, I'm stuffing it, but it's also gonna get cooked. Oh, see that? Gonna clean that one well. All right, now we got that. We're gonna do this to every single one of the jalapenos, and after that, we're gonna fill the rest with our cream cheese.
No.
What are you doing?
Bro, it's been a long week. It's 2021. We got fucked up.
Bro, what are you? Oh no.
Oh no, Charlie.
What is he doing?
You're gonna feel this. It's not CrossFaded kitchen. We're truly not CrossFaded.
Dude, I'm already high as it is.
I'm more drunk.
Alright guys, so we got a cream cheese right here. We're gonna fill in the rest of what we have in here with the cream cheese. We're gonna wrap the jalapeno real tight, but before that, we're gonna throw a little bit of tahini on our cream cheese. Why is it doing that? That's not gonna taste good. Oh no, I'm kind of high right now and just said fuck it. You know, we're gonna mix it in with the tahini. All right. Now we got a little bit of tahini cream cheese. I'm gonna grab a little bit or a lot. I'm gonna put some on the jalapeno, and then we have our beef massaged bacon. We're gonna wrap this up. Wrap it up. Make sure you guys have enough bacon just to cover kind of like whatever it's open from the jalapeno. And we're gonna do this to all of them. And we'll come back when we have them all wrapped. All right, so for this one, I'm gonna put 2 toothpicks because it's a big jalapeno.
You know what else is big? Hey, Andy, let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah.
Ah, that's gross. Oh, drink. Little bitch. I only drink when I come to Brandon's house, guys.
Yeah.
That's once a week.
It's been a routine at this point.
All right, so while we're doing this, guys, we're gonna throw them in our saute that we have been having in the back for low. Yes, we are adding a little bit of olive oil. I know, right? What the fuck are these guys thinking? Or not thinking? Oh my god! All right, we're just gonna lay them down carefully. And we're gonna make sure we cook off that side, and then we're gonna slowly rotate them throughout the process. All right, guys, so we're gonna make a little dip in the meantime while we have our jalapenos sizzling in the back. This right here is some chipotle adobo, which is pretty much all the juice out of chipotle. We're gonna add about maybe a tablespoon. This is our infused aioli that we have made in our previous videos. You guys are more than welcome to go check them out if you guys want to see how it was done. Let me get my spoon real quick because I do not want to get my bag of chipotle dirty. We're gonna add a little bit more. Now people are gonna be like, oh, why isn't it looking red? It's not looking red because their oil to make their aioli was infused. Anytime you infuse your oils, it's just gonna get a little bit darker. Now we're gonna taste it. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get a little creative. In the years I used to bartend, I used to throw a bunch of random shit together. Mainly due to inexperience at one point, but then I actually just loved exploring the possibilities. So today we're gonna use some Kirkland whiskey. I know, oh, Kirkland, ugh. It actually got some decent stuff. So what we're gonna do is add 1.5 ounces of Kirkland whiskey, throw that bad bitch in there. We're gonna add 0.75 ounces of triple sec. We wanna give it a little orange zest, nothing too crazy, but enough, you know, to where you're not drinking straight fucking whiskey. Boom. And then if you remember, this bad boy right here, this is our Thc Simple Syrup. If you don't remember this, click on the first video or click on the link below and we'll actually show you how to make this. You're gonna be using 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. Yeah, that's a lot of sugar, but it's gonna complement them poppers very well. And you're gonna be pretty CrossFaded, as one may say. Next, we're gonna add 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. I first squeezed this earlier. I really hope I don't have to show you the tutorial how to squeeze one. Just throw that in here. If only somebody would zoom in as I was pouring, it would be a shame. I also realized I don't have my strainer over here, so we're just gonna freestyle this. Oh, what's this? There's a Red Bull to the side. What? Like I said, we're switching this up. Let's fucking get it. Kind of it's tangy, it's sweet, not too sweet, not too tangy. This is something you could drink very deadly as you're gaming. Like, it'll go down as smooth as Kool-Aid on a fucking summer day.
Alright guys, now we got our final results, which is our shrimp stuffed jalapeno poppers, along with
My drink, which I don't have a name for, but it's fucking phenomenal.
we're gonna
Try
try
it
it
out.
with Brandon's drink.
Try it out.
Alright. Please like, subscribe,
And blaze that notification bell, baby. Blaze it up like you would at home.
leave a comment, tell us what you guys would like for us to make Infused next. And let's just get it started, bro, because
Dude, I'm fucking hungry.
yeah. But first, instead of dipping, you don't want to double dip in your sauce, so there's our Chipotle aioli that we made earlier.
You don't want to double dip with me?
No, we do.
That's for
You dirty.
holy shit, that's good.
You're gonna need to take the pics out.
Yeah, please take the pics out.
And if
Disclaimer.
you're wondering why I only have one glove, I'm on that Michael Jackson because if you guys don't want to use your bare hands to eat this.
So normally, at this point in the video, we'd say have a great day. But no, fucking stay tuned. I'm not taking drinking another half a pint. The bet is on. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's get it. I mean, you kind of just pour it. Because right now, it's very fucking boring.
By the way, Brandon played this like 20 times a day.
All for this.
Look at how sweaty Brandon just handed me this. COVID all over it.
It's because you scared the shit out of me.
He peed from his forehead. What's up, guys? My name is Eddie. Welcome to CrossFaded Kitchen.
This is every shot.
I don't, you know, ammo.
No.
That's kind of like. Sick. I got 500. Well, it looks like you got last place, Brandon. What's up? Are you game bartender? Yeah. Yeah, you got last place. I got 36 kills. Wave survived for 36 waves. Now that we have it open, we're gonna pour. I'm pouring 4 shots because I don't know about drinking this damn whole bottle. Alright, or drinking the whole bottle. Just for Brandon. Just kidding.